Our modern industries need a constant flow of data and information. To keep us connected, we rely on local and wide-scale fibre optic and mobile networks, not forgetting the data cables that connect our machines and equipment. Robust, secure communication networks are essential, and they form an integral part of the buildings where we live and work.
So basically, it's trying to future-proof an installation by working with consultants, specifiers, and the companies themselves to ensure they've got a product that's going to last beyond the changes in technology, but at the same time understanding that there are budget constraints with any project.
There are very few technologies that evolve at the pace of communications, so when specifying cables, it's important to get it right. Badly specified cables can mean short lifespans, creating added expense and ecological waste.
Obviously, if you specify incorrectly, if you use the wrong cables on an installation, the hardware or the infrastructure might fail completely. These can all have huge repercussions on the cost of the project in terms of replacing those cables. So we have people who have experience in data cables, and we can use that resource when talking to customers about particular projects and particular solutions.
It's important to meet the standards, any CPR compliance, be backwards compatible, and have future capacity. It's a challenge, but not getting it right can be costly and create downtime. At Eland Cables, quality and compliance is a priority, so that means testing in our world-class cable lab.
So at the moment we're in the vertical flame propagation. It's basically to assess the flame retardance of a single cable length. Basically set the cable up to burn it to test that it's going to pass the parameters that it should pass, i.e. be flame retardant. And we ensure that when it goes out into the real world that it performs, that the cable gets to the customer and they've got the reassurance that we have tested the cable.
We try and give the customers a different experience in Eland, and it also gives the customer a lot of confidence that they're dealing on a like-to-like basis with an engineer.
With so much to take into consideration when installing data and comms cables, at Eland Cables, we have the expertise to keep you connected now and in the future. Eland Cables, a tailored service on a global scale.